The size of a radius of a washer is normally distributed with a mean of 5 mm and a variance of 0.16 mm squared. Find the probability that the washer has a radius between 4.2 mm and 5.8 mm. So, let x be the random variable, the radius of a washer. X is normally distributed with a mean of 5. Now, the square root of 0.16 is 0.4, so it's usually better to write it as 0.4 squared. These are the two parameters of the normal distribution, mean and variance. But if we write it as the standard deviation squared, it's better for use on the GDC. We require the probability that x is between 4.2 and 5.8. It's always a good idea to draw a diagram. So a normal curve, the mean here will be 5 and the standard deviation 0.4. 4.2 is on this side, 5.8 is on this side, and we want to find the area between the two. To do that, we need to go to our GDC. So we go to our GDC, we go to our calculation mode, and we go to menu, number 5, probability, number 5, distributions, and we go for normal CDF. We never use normal PDF. We want the lower bound to be 4.2, the upper bound to be 5.8, the mean to be 5, and the standard deviation to be 0.4. Okay, so just repeat that. Lower bound 4.2, upper bound 5.8, the mean 5, and the standard deviation 0.4. This is why we write the parameter, if we can, as the standard deviation squared, in order to avoid a mistake here. Press OK, and we get an answer of 0.95449988. Okay, we round that off to 3 significant figures, and we get an answer of 0.954 to 3 significant figures. Part B. 1,000 washers are manufactured, and quality control will reject the washer if it falls outside the range in Part A. How many washers can be expected to be rejected? So we've got to find the probability of this not happening, and then multiply that answer by 1,000, because we have 1,000 washers to consider. So the washers is rejected if x is less than 4.2 or bigger than 5.8. The probability that x is less than 4.2 or x is greater than 5.8 is 1 minus 0.5444. We can quickly do that on our calculator by doing 1 minus the answer of the previous one, provided you've not done the calculation in between. And we get an answer here of 0.04550012. So 0.04550, and then we will need to take that. The expected number of washers rejected will be 1,000 times 0.04550, which is 45.5 washers. We can't really have that, so we'll take 46 washers will be rejected approximately.